What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a car seat gap filler, all right? And this don't just like fill up the gaps between your seats. This thing actually charges your phone, and it says it fast charge. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I have 2000 car, 2007, 2006. I don't know nothing about everybody's car. I am just trying this out on my car. If it works on my car, then good. If it don't work for your car, you have to return it. All right, so it is what it is. So here you have your power cord right here. You do get two gap fillers. Now one is powered and one is just like a stored. Now the bottom have these like little gaps right there. Not really sure what's all that about, but I'll leave that one alone. And right here we have the instructions. Right here it says 30 watt right here for the USB type C. The USB says 22.5 watts. So your fast charge will be with your USB type C. Okay. And then you have another 12 volt source right here. So when you take away your other 12 volt, they basically gave you another one right here. So that is awesome. They actually put some thought into that. All right, you guys. So as I open the instructions with this type of stuff, I don't even read the instructions, but I just want to see what these clips are for. They're for the bottom, maybe to go into the seat better. Okay. Guess like that, but to fit it on the bottom, it won't fit between the seats. Okay, let me see. Insulation step, gap filler. You guys, I don't need to use this. I'm just gonna put this right between the seat. It should stay put, nothing should happen. Maybe if you have wider seats or however your seats are designed, maybe you might need these, but I don't really need to use these. At least I don't think, but we will find out once we get there. And another thing is they gave you a fuse. So they have those little tube fuses right here. So this has a fuse somewhere on it. Not sure where, but it does have it on here somewhere because they wouldn't have gave you one. Now to power this, there is a port right here, right on the bottom. All right, you guys, so I guess you will put this with your gap filler. And then they have this part right here. It says push up. Oh, there we go. Now it's locked. I'll catch y'all in the car. We have the gap filler right here. This is the one with the charger. This is a 2006 Toyota Camry. And y'all see how like skinny this space is right here, right? So in order to get into that skinny space, we need to take this part off, in which we don't need that part. Now, I believe that's if you have a thicker space. Now, all you do is put this on the inside. Now, remember I told y'all, depending on what side you want it on your console, this will be your flat side. So if I was on this side, it will go in like this, and it will fit in like that. All right. But the way I have it on the opposite side. So if you want this on this side, it will fit right inside right there. All right, and that's it. And it should feel comfortable because it's almost as even as your seat belt. You shouldn't feel no discomfort, or your passenger shouldn't feel no discomfort. So I am going to flip this to the opposite side, so that way this flat side can be on the console area right here, because I can't do it like that. So I am going to flip this, but this one is okay. Gotta take this off. That's off. Put that right there on the inside, and you're good to go. All right, you could put your phone, you could put whatever in here, whatever you need to put in there. It could go right on the inside, right there. All right, let me flip this over. All right, you guys, I love it. I flipped this thing like nothing. It was easy, and there you go. Right now, if you have maybe wide hips or whatnot, you might hit it. I am not sure, but for me, I'm comfortable. I have nothing to complain about. I have easy access to go ahead and plug in my 12 volt source, and then I could plug this one, or my wife, she can plug this one right into here and be good. And also she will have our fast charger right here as well. So she could either charge here, or the kids can charge here, or however they do it, you know, when they're in the car. Me, my phone is usually charged anyway, so kinda. All right, so anyways, that will be it with this, you guys. Got the holder here. We have holder here, storage, got extra storage. It looks nice. So that will be it. Any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.